Hello, it's me again. I know I just uploaded a video, but this is Spawn. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that nice? Woo-wee! But I'm going to show you guys some stuff. You guys join the server and play on the SMP. It's really cool. So, let's take a look around real quick. I'll show you some really good spots to go to. So over here, we follow this path right here on foot. I have fly, but this takes you, this is the quick way over to the public grinders, where you can get materials and stuff like that, sell or keep, or whatever you want to do with the stuff. I usually sell all of it, but that's just me. We've got some cool stuff going on. We got a nice cruise ship or yacht. We got some nice little walkway stuff going on. You jump off right here, swim on over. Try not to get stuck. Oh, I don't know what that was. A little lag spike. Jump up here. Run. Run, run, run. Running out of the way. Woo-wee. Got some skeleton horses. Lots of torches. Here's the Guardian grinder. Now let's see if there's anything in here. Ooh, I'll take that. Guardian, ghast, octopus, or squid, whatever you want to call them. Spider. Got some wither skeletons. They're not here right now. Somebody killed them all. We got iron golems, so you can get iron. Just chill here. And when they die, you get the iron. It's actually really a neat spot. Really neat. Let's go. Another iron golem. Little portal to the nether. Somebody probably already claimed it all, but that's alright. We won't go there right now. Jeep. This is public grinder. It's got pretty much everything you need. There's another, I want to say, ship. Is that a ship? Yep. Yep, a ship. Now you can get pets, wolves, just gotta have bones, food, pigs. If you harvest these, you get like pig poo, and then you can get tier 4 armor like I have in the first vid. Invokers, you can get emeralds, sell those. We got zombie pigmen. You get that stuff. You make some gapples if you have apples. Evokers, they give you totems and emeralds. Totems aren't really worth anything, so I just let them sit on the ground and despawn. Witches, you get a lot of potion brewing stuff from these guys when you destroy them. Blazes, blaze rods, XP, there's a lot of XP from these guys. I had 0 XP and I grinded for probably 2 hours and made a whole bunch of XP. Creepers, they're alright. They're good XP, but really they're just for gunpowder. If you get a head, the head's worth a lot. but chances of getting the head is pretty slim. They're really hard to get. This thing here gives you free stuff. This is yeah, this is David. Whose is this again? The David Puff. Oof. Huh? Oh, look at that. Got a horse. Sponges. God. Yeah, you sell stuff here. Somebody's dog. If you step here, that means David's been on. Because he changed this. This wasn't like this before. Which is pretty cool. Pretty cool. That's pretty much, you know, the grinder. You know, here's a command. It takes you back to spawn / spawn. If you set home, it's / set home. And to get back to your home is / home. I have multiple homes, so mine is / home citadel or / home wild / home grinder / home village, and that's it. I just want to do a little, you know, a little tour thing to help, you know, new players and stuff like that. But thank you, and subscribe, and like the video.